On the auspicious occasion of the 79th Independence Day, Manipal University Jaipur echoed with the spirit of patriotism, unity, and pride. The celebrations brought together students, faculty, and the university leadership to honor India's glorious journey of freedom and progress. The celebrations began with the hoisting of the tricolor by Dr. N. Sharma, President of Manipal University Jaipur, followed by the spirited parade led by the Azadi contingent, NCC cadets, and young patriots.
श्रीमान परेड शुरू करने की अनुमति चाहता हूं। जय श्रीमान। तीन बार ध्वजा चलेगा। वंदे मुड़।
This year, Independence Day is all about honoring freedom, inspiring the future. A call for every Indian to remember our journey and actively shape what's ahead. In this journey of nation, India today is fifth biggest economy and moving to become third largest by 2030. मैं सिर्फ दो पंक्तियां राष्ट्रकवि रामधारी सिंह दिनकर जी की बोलना चाहूंगा स्टूडेंट्स और फैकल्टी दोनों के लिए। दिशा दीप्त हो उठी प्राप्त कर पुण्य प्रकाश तुम्हारा, लिखा जा चुका अमल अक्षरों में इतिहास तुम्हारा। चिंगारी बन गई लहू की बूंद गिरी जो पग से, बाकी होश तभी तक जब तक जलता तू रही है, थक कर बैठ गए क्या भाई मंजिल दूर नहीं।
The spirit of freedom found expression through music, dance, and art. Students mesmerized the audience with patriotic performances, while the students of fine arts displayed a special Independence Day art exhibition. A unique highlight of the day was the fashion show curated by the students of fashion design. Themed around Khadi, the show beautifully captured the journey of India's fabric of freedom. From the hands of the Mahatma to its revival as a symbol of resilience, sustainability, and contemporary pride. Emphasizing MUJ's commitment to a greener and sustainable future, the leadership planted a Sita Ashok sapling, a living symbol of the university's dedication to environmental consciousness. The 79th Independence Day at Manipal University Jaipur was not just a celebration of freedom, but a call to responsibility, to innovate, to preserve, and to build a future worthy of our nation's dreams. Together, MUJ marches forward, carrying the spirit of freedom into tomorrow. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.